Atik Bhai is the main chef, right?
Girlfriend, can you pack for 2 weeks like that? No one used. I could be like, you trying to take my whole closet? Yeah, I'll take my whole closet. No, I just pull out stuff, put it in. It's not gonna work. It's not gonna work. You guys can do it. It's okay. Okay, watch this. It's not gonna work. Oh, okay. I don't even think.
Can I sleep over on Tuesday?
I told you.
I told you. That's what I said.
Listen, I'm not the person that wakes up at noon, okay? I can wake up at 8 a.m. and take her.
Yes, but she's leaving on Wednesday. There's some kind of preparation.
আচ্ছা এই যে চিকেন আর দেওয়া লাগবে না
I'm like, okay, let's do this.